Hello, good evening. It's me, Michelle Baker, Vision Mastery Strategist, and I am here again to talk about the why. The why is such a beautiful clarifier, simplifier of our lives, and I love talking about it. Everything I do surrounds getting clear on the why. And the reason being, or tonight, what I will just share with you is I found that having a clearly defined why has helped make my life simpler. And a lot of the research and the autobiographies I read of very successful people is that having a clearly defined why simplified their success. When they knew what that why about where they were going, the direction they were headed, the challenges that they were going to accept in their life, the character that they were going to develop, the person that they were going to become, it made choosing a lot simpler. You are around all these options, all these opportunities, all these things coming at us constantly in our life. It's just so fast and just so many. So how does one choose? How do you decide? How do you not get the shiny object syndrome and look at what everybody else is getting and go, oh, I want that? Or say, for instance, like I'm an entrepreneur, small business owner, how difficult it was when I would go to all these networking events and the people would stand in front of the room and tell me all these amazing stories about like how they can help me build my business and how social media was the thing, or how marketing was the thing, or how branding was the thing, or how sales was the thing. And I'm not saying that none of that wouldn't work. I'm just saying that understanding and having a clearly defined why is how I was able to make a better choice of how to build my business. And first and foremost, how to build Michelle, how to decide and clearly know what it was that I was going to do, how I was going to move forward in the world, and then all that other stuff I get to add on to me. So, hey, I'm looking at your names. That is Deborah Washington and Patrick and Deb. Hey, Deb, all you people, how are you guys? So, again, having that why has simplified it. And what happens is it truly eliminated the comparison, the competition, the contrast. I was so less worried and bothered about what I saw other people had. As I have gotten my why, that is the gift that I am to the world. That's that thing that's inside of me, that inner voice that generates my creative expression. It's how I tap into source. And the name for source for many of us may be different. I call them God. You can call them creator, divine, Buddha, the goddess, the spirit, whatever you want to call your higher deity. But when you tap into that, that is universal. That is everything. It is infinite, unending, and unlimited. That is the beauty of the why. And that's why the why is so elusive. And that's why the why takes so much work, because it is like you're chiseling through everything to get to it. The one thing I've heard people say, and I love saying it, everybody want to be a diamond, but don't nobody want to get cut, right? And we know diamonds are birthed under intense and massive amount of pressure. So you want to shine, baby, you better get to work and start cutting and start excavating until you can get the root of who you are. Find your why. It will make the most difference in your life. Now, it's the work that I do. I'm a vision mastery strategist. I love this work. This is the gift I am to the world. I will brag all day long. I am amazing at it. I have no bones about saying that, right? And if it's not me, find someone. Do not stop your seeking and your searching until you get clear on your why. It will change the game for your life. It will make things so much amazing. The clouds will open up and the skies will part. So you guys have a wonderfully blessed evening until the next time you see me pop up, and I'm going to keep talking about this why, right? Have a wonderful blessed evening. The point I want to leave you with is imagination. It's the gift we've been given. It's the tool we use to create. You cannot create anything without imagination. So think about it like this. The future hasn't happened. The past is already gone. You're sitting in the present right now. Now you get a chance to imagine and create your amazing tomorrow. So you can either use it against you and keep imagining what's going to be awful. Keep imagining how bad the job is going to be, how bad it's going to be when you get there, how they're going to talk about you, how unfair it is, how nothing goes your way. You can keep imagining that. Or you can take this opportunity and turn things in your favor and start to imagine about how amazing and awesome, incredible it's going to be. I promise you, this I will promise you. You start imagining the best, and before you know it, amazing things will start to happen and continue to happen. Have a wonderfully blessed evening, and remember, if you're going to make it up, make it awesome. Till next time.